I'm outside. As you can see, there is snow everywhere. And today we are going to try to get my RC car working. Here it is, my RC car. And I hit the snow. I dropped it. Well, let's see if it works. I've actually tested this before, and it works. And let's see this thing in action. As you can see, it's working pretty well. Unless the wheels get stuck, and it also doesn't have like much suspension, so that's an issue. It's just digging itself sometimes. I need to clear up some of this snow. I have another RC, and all it does is it just tire spins. As you can see, there my RC car goes, and it's real fun. The last time I posted this kind of video is like when the last time I did this, I literally failed. It did not work. So today I'm here with another one that will definitely work. And yeah, I might need to change the battery later. What up? What did it say? Huh? Nothing happened. Don't worry about him. He's fine. And I don't have gloves on, so that's just lovely. Where's my RC car? I'm trying my best. I have never actually done two things at a time. Now it's stuck. The snow is ripping on this. Guess what I like to do to get rid of the snow on these wheels? Yeah, I do that, and then my remote, it gets covered with that snow. So yeah, let me do that to the wheels real quick. There we go. Now let's get ready and roll. Again, it doesn't have much space, but it's unlike any other of my cars. This thing works better. Let me real quickly get this thing dried up, but as you can see, it clearly worked. And as you can see, it's also a little bit slow. It's because I'm still using the battery from yesterday when I tested it out. Let me do this again. Something it's clearly getting stuck. Something is getting stuck. Let's see one more time. I'm gonna try better to face the camera down at the car. Ooh, there we go. Come on, car. You're not stuck. Okay, I just made it more stuck. Let's do that. Doesn't seem like the car wants to really go much. I'm gonna real quickly take a look at the battery. I'll be right back. Sup, I'm back and I changed the batteries.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just let me real quickly turn on the car. And it's also going to pop out more because, well, it's a little bit more dark. And it's perfect for this. Ha! That's fun. And you can also see our Christmas decorations. As you know, it is the Christmas time. The holidays are here. And don't forget, the car is also here. Oh, that's just sad. Come on. Looks like the body got stuck on there. And again, I don't have my gloves, which is lovely. And as you can see, it's going a lot more faster. I mean a lot faster. And here's our tree decorations. And I don't know if it might snow today. It's a Saturday today. I think it's December 10th. I don't know, but I didn't check in my calendar, so yeah, that's just sad. And here are our candy canes. Woo! One of them. Let me fix this guy. It's like he turned around. I tried is all I have to say. And as you can see my car, I can clearly see it. I'm trying to get it on camera. It's very hard to do. I'm sorry, I'm not a camera expert. But I mean, I'm trying. My parents are inside, and there's also my Christmas tree. We got some lights on the bushes, and yeah. Come on, car. Yes. It's absolutely awesome. This is why I like this car. On my grading, I will say that this car gets an E+ on its driving in the snow. Unlike the Hummer who got an F-, and so for the new car I got. Yep, that new car. Which, that new car is not a Christmas gift. Let me try that. You have to be kidding me. Am I stopped? I think I am. I think I dug myself in there. There we go. Seriously? Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. That's what I like to see. Again. Now, as you can see, this car is awesome. Yesterday there was a lot more snow, so this thing struggled a lot more. But it's still wet. It's still wet. And this side it has a lot more snow. So I'm proud. Oh, it hit our thing. This is my first, this is one of my first videos outside. It's actually my second. Because remember the last video where I took a monster truck out here? Yeah, it was not fun. Let's do that and see if it goes. Come on, car. Do it, car. Looks like it got stuck a little bit. Let's keep it there. Now it should go a lot better. I don't know whether you can see this, but it's going quite fast on the camera. I'm not looking at the camera really. dark outside, as you can see now. Is it stuck? Is it stuck? Please, no. Okay, it's stuck. There we go. That's what I like to see. And I'm also recording this on an iPad, which is an absolute horrible idea. Because it's very hard for me to get the RC car on cam. I'm trying my best. Anywhere can it go? And yeah, I have to reposition it again. Why is it digging a hole for itself? I got snow in my pants. Great. I mean, not my pants, my shoes, my boots. I don't say things properly for some reason. There we go. We got the car back to driving. My car is going for a driving class and is real excited for it. There are also cars going by soon. Come on. There we go. Well, it's clearly working. If you cannot see the car well, let me zoom. It's very hard to see. But those lights are coming from the RC car. Ah! It just hit my boots. I'm gonna finally see boots. Why is it turning? I'm not turning it. Maybe it's because of the hills. Let me unzoom so that it's easier for you to see. Because then the lights will not blur the entire car out. This is fun. Well, I hope you have a wonderful new year. And drop a like if you want to see my RC car in more videos. I'm not holding it properly, but drop a like if you want to see him, this boy, in some more videos. And some other RC car videos like this. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all in another video.